Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest Rocksbox to share with you, and boy am I excited to have this box. So Rocksbox had, I don't know if it was for everybody or if they kind of just reduced their level of staffing due to what's going on, which I totally understand. So since they did that, they weren't shipping out as frequently. So I got an email maybe a week ago that my preview was ready and I was so excited. So it's here. I actually haven't opened it yet. I do have an idea of what's in here because of the preview, not everything, because I've been doing so much online shopping. Normally I can remember what's coming in my boxes and I just don't know. So anyway, let's go through my box together. So I'm excited because I have my April credit to spend. Today's the 20th and I want to spend it before the month is over because you lose it if you can't spend it. So you get your, here's the price sheet and it tells you what's inside. Ooh, there's a pair of earrings that are $118. I know I'm gonna love those. Don't we always, it always happens where we love the most expensive item. So here's the price sheet. And so basically it tells you the prices of each and then your discount. So I have some discounts on there, and you do get a credit if you keep all three of, you get $10 off. I haven't done that with Rocksbox yet. Usually I pick one or two items that I like in each box, but more recently, like the past couple of months, I've been doing a lot of like the renting and trying things out, and then I send it back and get new pieces. And I really enjoy doing that too. So I've used it both ways. So it comes nicely wrapped too. I never get to show you guys because I always rip it open when I first get it, and it's been disinfecting. So, all right, this first pair, Kendra's got earrings. This is the pair of earrings. It's $118, but look how pretty. Wow. So they're rose gold, and then the gems are like pink, but see the middle one? It's got some sparkle to it. I hope that's coming across. Well, I don't have earrings in, so let's put one in and see how it looks. Whoops. They're so pretty. Good for spring, but I don't know that I'll pay $118. Too bad I don't have anywhere to go right now, huh? To show these off, and I guess on my Zoom calls, right? Look how pretty. Can you see? Oh, I really like these. Oh, wow. Those are so pretty. Oh, I have to put the other one in. Just give me a second. I've got to see how they both look. And I got to take my necklace off because this is my own necklace, and I do have a necklace inside. Let's take the necklace off. I know it doesn't match. The earrings don't match what I'm wearing, but aren't they so pretty? Oh, I like them. I knew that was gonna happen. Does that just happen to me, or does that happen to you guys too? Do you always fall in love with the most expensive piece in the box, whether it's clothing or jewelry or whatever it is? I always do. Isn't it? And it's not in my head. Oh, I like this one too. This one is by Ava Rose. This is the Carrie Necklace. It's $55. So much more reasonable. And it's actually pretty cute. So you know I like my statement necklaces, but I also like to have some not so statement. If that makes sense. That's really pretty. It's gold. I really like that. Let's see. Let me just unfasten it. Hopefully I can get this on myself. And I'll back up so you can see it too. I don't know what the chain length is. Oh, you're gonna have a hard time. Oh, no. That's pretty. Don't you like that? So this would be good if I don't want to wear like a statement necklace, but I still, oh, and it's shiny too. I like this. This would look good with like an all black top, or even cardigans and things like that. I may end up keeping that one. Yeah, look how pretty that is. I know I don't have the right shirt. I probably should have thought about that before I filmed, huh? Oh. Yeah, I like this. This one might stay with me. I really like that one a lot. All right, and then last, let's see. I have another pair of earrings, so I'm gonna have to take these out, but I don't want to. So these, oh, these are so pretty. I think Heather from Hey It's Heather has these, and I just loved them. I added them to my wish list. Heather, if you're watching, I think it's you that has these earrings. They're by Ava Rose of the Torrance Teardrop Earrings in gold, $46. These are my keepers without putting them in my ear. I know they're my keepers. I liked this whole box. So I may be in trouble because I may need to keep this whole box. Maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't. Talk me out of it. Yeah. I'm always afraid of keeping the whole box. I haven't had a whole box with Rocksbox. I love everything they send me, but I like to just try things out because some things like come in and out of style. Why am I having so much trouble? Because I'm talking and oh, look how pretty. Yep, these are mine. These are staying with me. That's it. So I'm keeping these for sure. I know that. I will wear them around, but I am going to keep them. I'm going to purchase them. Let me know what you think about the other pieces. I really do like the necklace too. So the earrings are $46. These. That's not bad. This is the least expensive item in the box. Or these are the least expensive earrings in the box, I should say. And the necklace is next. And I like the necklace too. You know, and I know I'll get more use out of these earrings because they're gold and they'll go with a lot more. So I'll definitely get my money's worth, and I'm totally okay with paying $46. Plus I have the $21 credit for my membership each month, so I'll put that towards it. But these are really pretty too, and they're so unique, aren't they? Oops, let me show you one more time. I just think they're gorgeous. And the necklace too. Oh, Rocksbox. This is absolutely hands down my favorite Rocksbox ever. So, yep, they're not getting me to cancel. I can't. I love it. So let me know what you think. What was your favorite piece? Do you agree that I should just keep the earrings? Should I keep the necklace? Should I keep all three pieces? I'm definitely keeping these. You won't talk me out of these. They're so pretty. So thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. Hope you stay healthy, stay well, and I will see you soon in my next video.